if you have a bait and you want to catch a fish, you just wait patiently, and when the fish bites, prey bites, you can do with it whatever you want. So this is basically what happens when you put a child's brain into easy, epic reward system. It is problem that this disorder is related to young people whose brain is still not developed properly. So it blocks normal development of a human brain. It will alter the way a mind should grow. And this, in a way, is blocking human personality development, personality and character formation that is blocked. And so in this way, emotional intelligence and skills in the real world are inefficient. Plus, it is also a way to reinforce avoidance mechanisms, because gaming is fun, easy, and pleasurable way to escape from reality. Deficiency in prefrontal cortex, limbic system, amygdala, and so on. So we are talking about brain development, structural, functional brain changes in gamers who are addicted. An addiction means that you spend enormous amounts of time on something that is even harmful. Neurons, dopamine neurons of immature brain are coding rewards, treasures. They are treasure hunters, so they have to predict what stimuli in our environment is worth our time, attention, effort, and so on. And if you put a young person in computer game and you create this map with so many treasures that are amazing, cool, epic, legendary, basically above anything they can experience in a real world. And the only cost is some money, time, and fun. And now dopamine system will code all those treasures, giving them high values, and simultaneously real world behavior rewards will feel like boring or lame, I would say, in a way. So this is what happens. But it's not a problem about just coding these treasures, imaginary treasures that our brain is programmed to look for, search for treasures, but they actually don't have any value in the real world. It is problem that this is doing what we call reinforcement or negative feedback compared to, for instance, people who are not addicted. And this in turn is lowering self-esteem and self-confidence, or creating some kind of parallel, alter personality in virtual world. And this combined is changing prospects for person's success and damaging health, sleep, and so on. When we talk about this disorder, mostly is research in Asia, like China, but there is, for instance, a study from Arabia with 726 students, and these are pretty high stats. When we talk about gamers, in one study it was like around 27% of gamers were problematic gamers or addicted gamers, and this is problematic because kids still don't have this ability to control their thoughts and emotions and do what is rational, long term, and so on, good for them. So they are impulsive, especially for impulsive people who lack, need more and more stimuli to get them going. So I have to stop. Dobby. Dobby?